Here are some tips and tricks for 3D printing. 1. Leveling the print bed. Properly leveling the print bed is crucial for a successful print. Take the time to ensure the bed is level by using a piece of paper or a feeler gauge to achieve the right distance between the nozzle and the bed. 2. Adhesion techniques. To improve print bed adhesion, consider using techniques like applying a thin layer of glue stick, using painter's tape, or using a heated bed with a build surface like PEI or build tack. Experiment with different adhesion methods to find what works best for your printer and filament. 3. Filament storage. Moisture can negatively affect filament quality and print results. Store your filament in airtight containers or use desiccant packs to keep it dry. If filament becomes too moist, consider drying it in a dedicated filament dryer or using a food dehydrator. 4. Print speed and temperature. Adjusting print speed and temperature settings can greatly impact print quality. Start with the manufacturer's recommended settings and gradually experiment to find the optimal balance between speed and quality for your specific filament and printer. 5. Support structures. For models with overhangs or complex geometries, using support structures is essential. Optimize support settings in your slicing software to minimize. 6. Cooling fan settings. Cooling fans help in reducing filament warping and improving overall print quality. Ensure that your cooling fan is properly oriented and adjust the fan speed settings to match the needs of your specific filament and print. 7. Slicing software optimization. Become familiar with your slicing software and its advanced settings. Take the time to experiment with different parameters like layer height, infill density, and wall thickness to achieve the desired print quality and optimize print times. 8. Regular maintenance. Keep your 3D printer in good working condition by regularly cleaning the nozzle, checking for loose belts or screws, and lubricating moving parts as necessary. Refer to your printer's manual for specific maintenance instructions. 9. Learn from online communities. Join online forums and communities dedicated to 3D printing. Engage with experienced users, ask questions, and share your knowledge. You'll find valuable insights, troubleshooting tips, and inspiration for new projects. 10. Patience and iteration. 3D printing is a learning process, and it often requires patience and iteration to achieve the desired results. Embrace experimentation, learn from failures, and enjoy the journey of continuous improvement. Remember, these tips and tricks are general guidelines, and you may need to adapt them based on your specific printer, filament, and project requirements.